I'm really worried about this one.
Why?
It involves the toaster.
Oh. Hello everybody.
Hello.
Hello Mrs. B.
Hi.
Today we're doing another kitchen hack testing video. The series in which we tread along the path of viral kitchen hacks on the internet that sometimes could work, sometimes they can't. And that's what we do.
Yeah, and I've chosen them today.
Really?
Yes.
But as you'll know on the playlist, Mrs. B, when you do the ones, they are generally alright. Generally safe, generally work, generally useful. But you did give me a spoiler last night that one of them might be dangerous, so we'll see where that goes.
I'm a bit worried about the one that I've chosen.
Okay.
Have you ever been in a situation where, you get tin foil
Yeah.
and it's gone all like funny? Generally this is when after you've been using the tin foil.
Oh, because I just do like a rip.
Yeah, and it's gone like that.
Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah,
And then you're like, oh. Okay, you take a bit of the foil. There we go.
Okay, so you rip off that bit.
Scrunch that up, right?
Yeah.
Then, you ready?
No,
Apparently, you just go like this. Look, and it's getting rid of it.
Oh, it's wearing them out.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, those marks have definitely gone.
Look, see? And then you should be able...
Rubbing out the creases in the foil.
Scratching them off, look. You can just go like this. Ta-da! And your foil's ready to use.
I would laugh so hard if you didn't rip that straight as well then. That'd be like...
That was close.
Oh mate, that's actually alright. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah?
I mean, I'm more of a wrap master kind of guy, so...
Yeah, but we didn't have wrap master for foil and you couldn't do this with cling film.
It's a hack I didn't know I would need. And I would say, yes, that did work. I mean, there is a lot of foil down here.
And you can still use this bit, look.
Yeah, that's actually quite like, you've saved it. You can sort of see the path. That's a good start, I'll take that.
Okay, thank you. Next.
Hack number 2. Look in the corner of my eye, I see Mrs. B go get some oranges and 2 whisks from the drawer.
Yeah. So, have you ever been in a situation where you've just needed a bit of an easier way to slice up an orange? Well, this is one of those hacks, right? That looked really, really easy on the video.
Right.
But I don't think it's going to be easy at all.
Right. So we're going to peel an orange with a whisk?
No.
What?
Right, ready?
Yeah.
So you're meant to go like that, and the orange is meant to pop in the whisk.
Yeah, there you go. That will fit in there, surely.
Yay!
Yeah, but how is that gonna...
Oh, you did it! Oh, you might have broken the whisk at the same time. Squeeze the top like this.
Yeah.
And then they just...
Oh, so you're using the whisk?
You're using like these as like a bit of a guide, I guess.
Yeah, you're using them as a guideline.
You're then meant to go...
Oh, one of your segments has fallen out. Oh, is that what you're trying to do?
Oh yeah, they're meant to just all fall out.
Oh, there you go. That's what's supposed to happen.
Yep, they're all
You're supposed to tap it
out.
and all the segments. I mean, that must look amazing.
So it goes in
Oh, so they
like
did do the whisk. They whacked it on there,
Yeah,
grab
and they
it,
cut
slice it.
and then like
What?
yeah, look, and then you've got some segments.
Okay, it's... I mean, has it sort of worked?
Yay! I think I might stick to just a chopping board and a knife. Slicing it. I think that's maybe a bit of a fail.
I think we peaked at tinfoil there.
Yeah.
Hack number 3.
Have you ever been in a situation where you've wanted to melt or you've needed to melt a bar of chocolate, but all you've got is a kettle with some water?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to show you how to do it.
I'm trying to think of a situation when that would have been a thing. I might have just used the sun if it gets that bad. But then obviously if you're in Antarctica, but you've got your kettle plugged into a penguin. Now, Mrs. B, I must say, when you made me go to shop last night, you insisted I got a chocolate bar that didn't have foil in it.
Yeah.
Or was not made of cardboard.
Yeah.
And I'm starting to understand why, hence the fact that you're mentioning about a kettle.
Yes.
Is it going to be submerged in the kettle?
Yes. You let the kettle boil first, I think. I don't think you put it in whilst the kettle's boiling. You just dip it in.
Yeah.
You let the kettle boil.
Oh, and then you dunk it in.
And then as the kettle's boiling and all the steam's coming out from the kettle, you put your hand over the top.
That's super safe. Woo! Okay. Now, that's going to be red hot. So that's going down into the kettle. It's like when you're cooking spaghetti, you want to try and, you know how some of the spaghetti just sticks out at the top?
Yeah.
We've got it all fully submerged now. How long do you leave it there for? I mean, it's not going to take that long, is it? It's boiling water. Come on. Oh, it's like you're fishing. Oh! It's very exciting to watch. This is thrilling. Oh, that's not ready. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Has it worked?
Let's try it, shall we?
So you should have like a chocolate pen. Ah, are you gonna try and write the word hacks?
Oh, look, it's coming out the other end.
From up here it looks alright, but then you get down there and that is some seriously chunky writing, mate. How's that one?
That feels better.
Yeah? Oh yeah, that is better. Hey! Yeah, that worked better.
Yay!
So you take it out of the kettle and really manipulate it on the board for a bit just to press it all down, make sure it's all properly melted, yeah?
Yeah. That's cool.
That is awesome. Sorry, I might have just had a bit of chocolate.
Hack number 4.
Hack number 4.
Have you ever been in a situation where you've just wanted an easy way, or a different way, to chop your lettuce up?
Lettuce or lettuces?
Lettuce. We'll just do one.
Okay.
So normally you'd go in like this, and it'd be... And you need
Lettuce
a knife.
concentrate.
Scissors.
Be careful.
God, why do these videos always make things look so easy? Right, put your scissors through like
That's
that.
our job, mate, to see if they are or not.
And then you've got like a
We're
handle.
highly skilled professionals.
And then you go...
That's really fun. Why does it have to be scissors? Why can't you use like one of those prongs when we, carve up roast beef? Yeah.
Yeah. That probably would have been easier to get in.
Well, that's what it's kind of designed for, like holding things in place. But I mean, scissors is...
Scissors make it's more fun with
Yeah,
scissors.
you've got like a real comfort handle. You can walk around with it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's amazing. And then you can open the scissors.
There you go.
There you go.
There you go. Hack number 4.
Hack for you. Hack for you. Hey. Oh, but then, surely, yeah, look. You can go like this. Oh, now I've scissored it, but...
Yeah. Don't use too much, you need a thumbnail.
But that is the thumbnail, surely. Oh. But it's like carving beef or something on a roast. Or chicken. You
Carving a lettuce.
Maybe that's the future of all vegetables. You'll carve them. Oh.
Potato juice. Yeah. See, if you don't have one of these, use... There you go.
Hey, that's pretty good. Does this hack have a name?
No, let's make one for it.
Scissor prongs.
Could be
That's what we should start doing, naming the hacks.
Good idea.
Yeah. That's a good one. That is a good hack.
Hack number 5.
Yeah.
I'm going to show you a good way of using chopsticks.
Right.
So that's why I'm cooking some noodles.
So this is coming from obviously Mrs. Brie,
Yeah.
the master of chopsticks.
Yeah, I cannot
She
use
cannot use it. Right, okay. I'm not a wizard when it comes to chopsticks at all, but when we go to like a sushi place, something like that, she'll order a fork. So all of a sudden you're going to be a chopstick master now. Is this going to help your chopstick? Is this the hack purpose?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
All right. This could be quite useful then. We don't need noodles for this hack. It will work with anything.
No. Noodles. It won't work with rice. Noodles.
Noodles, or sometimes referred to as Justin Timberlake's hair from the early 2000s.
So you go like this. Pick them up. And when you wrap it round.
Ooh.
Haha, you got noodles.
Oh my gosh. In
Yeah.
and push.
And now twist.
And then twist.
Or wrap, whatever.
Or wrap.
And then you go
Like that. And then you can...
Yeah. See what I mean when I said you can only do it with noodles or spaghetti?
Yeah. I was going to say, when we next go for sushi and you start
And
stabbing it together going like that, might get some funny looks.
Yeah.
Okay. Right, now try and pick it up with your normal method. Let's see the difference in how much you get. That's actually amazing. It's worked, but I think it's very restricted. It's hard to get a little bit.
You get a good amount
you gotta
so
get,
you can get the spin.
yeah, you go like that. And then like that. And I mean, that's... Just imagine that, you're on your first date, you're like, oh. Mm. The final hack, Mrs. B.
Yeah, I'm really worried about this one.
Why?
I put this one in for you.
Oh. Thanks, mate.
It involves the toaster.
Oh,
Gosh, I'm really nervous. I'm so scared to do this one.
really?
Yeah. So, have you ever been in a situation where you've wanted to roast some marshmallows? You haven't got a campfire. You haven't got a stove. You haven't got a microwave.
Well, we're going to roast marshmallows on the toaster.
All you've got is a toaster.
God, that's some serious heat, mine, isn't it? Ooh, that's exciting. Marty, to the toaster. Does it stay like this way?
Yes.
You know I love my toasters.
Okay.
Can I just say, with my toaster knowledge, my gut feeling here is when you heat a marshmallow, it does start to warp and move quite aggressively. I am worried that it's going to drop into the heating element.
Me too. So we have to keep an eye on it. We have to be quick. So you're just then going to put that on there like that.
Yeah. Oh, so you can rotate it?
Yeah.
Oh no, that might actually be better. This is amazing.
I'm really scared.
Come on now. Actually, just push yours down first of all. So I'm going to lie mine down there.
And then we just rotate them. I'm just worried it's all going to get in the toaster and then we'll have marshmallow toast.
S'mores every time we make toast. The only thing I will say is I think we probably need to try and avoid it touching the...
Oh, look.
Oh, wow. Well done. That's amazing. Now, this is working. This is actually working, mate. I really did not think this was going to work. But I think what we do is really make sure that we try not to touch the metal.
Yeah. Oh,
as
look
much
at that
as
one.
That's amazing. Yeah, see, mine is touching.
You're touching it.
I think it's quite hard to film and do it at the same time, so I'm going to concentrate on yours, if that's all right.
Yeah. I smell burning. I don't like it.
You're doing all right.
I don't like the toaster being on with nothing in it. Oh.
I tell you what.
I don't want to do it much longer.
Yeah, but it's doing it. Oh my gosh.
working.
Yeah, look, you're getting one that spins one way and one the other. Look at that one. Oh, crikey, that's hot.
They're hot. They're like roasted as well. I think I might stop.
Hey, so our no toast is ready. Hey, that's worked.
That's really worked. Oh, I need to put it down.
Hey, I will take that because look, they're getting bigger. So the wider they get, it's gonna start getting really bad in there, isn't it? If we push it much longer.
Marshmallows dropped in there. Did you like that one?
I did. I've done my other one off camera, and it just kind of, you get the heat going, and look, they just start to fall off.
Yeah.
Oh no.
You're gonna miss your mouth.
It's a bit sticky.
Does it taste as good as over a campfire?
No. It tastes really gritty. You know how you have that sort of powdery coating? Is it corn flour on the edge of a marshmallow and the store-bought ones? Yeah. It enhanced that and made it more sort of crispy rather than charred.
Sure it's not the toast crumbs.
Could be the toast, yeah. There's a little bit of bagel in there as well. But it sort of works.
Yeah. I wouldn't recommend trying that one at home.
What was your favourite today?
Oh, my favourites are the chopsticks. Definitely,
really?
Yeah.
I think my favourite one was actually the scissors.
That was a good one.
I think that was really useful.
Yeah.
And of course you could just use a fork.
Yeah, very true.
I've never actually thought of doing it. I mean, I probably do it. There's a tomato gadget you can get, which is basically like a hair clip that does a similar thing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
But like, yeah, just use a fork.
Yeah. The chopsticks are definitely my favourite.
Yeah.
I'll be using that one a lot.
I think the worst, probably this, in terms of safety, but it did work.
It did.
The orange?
The orange was probably the worst.
Okay. What was your favourite of all time?
Oh my goodness. We've done so many. I'm trying to think if there's one that we've done that I actually use. You know?
No. My favourite was the cork when we warmed the bottle and
poof. Oh my gosh. I think that was the first dangerous one that we've done, and I remember being like, oh, you're gonna smash the bottle.
But it worked.
Yeah. I know which one.
Which one?
I can think of one Chloe uses.
What's that?
When we have hard taco shells.
Ah.
Because we do that, she puts her fork on the edge of her plate.
Yeah, to hold it up.
And stands the taco up in there.
So simple. And sometimes the simplest hacks are the best. And I genuinely like these today.
Yeah.
It was a little bit dangerous, Mrs. B, not going to lie. When I came back from the shop last night, she was generally, I don't know if we should do that one. But I think just about we'd pushed it enough. If you drop any marshmallow in that toaster... So that's it. Thanks so much for watching, folks. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe. Make sure your notifications are turned on, all that stuff if you already are. And of course, check out the rest of the kitchen hack playlist. There are some absolute stonkers on there, some fails, but some absolute epic wins too. So yeah, and also keep the hack ideas coming in.
Yes, please do.
Nice work, Mrs. B. 6 okay ones in the bank. 4 passable. 1 or 2 will, yeah, won't be whisking any oranges right now. Thanks a lot, guys. See ya, bye. Our doorbell just went, hang on. Basically, the door went, the gas board are going to shut our road for 8 weeks because they need to renew loads of gas pipes around here. And the guy like literally just came on in and he's like, oh, doing some photography? Like, sort of.
God knows what you thought.
Yeah.
Goodness.